Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be setting up conversion action on a page view. We can set that up and install it via two ways. One is Google Tag Manager and second is via Google Ads platform itself. For this video, we will be setting it up and installing on the website via Google Ads platform without using Google Tag Manager. So before creating a Google Ads campaign, it's really important to understand and create a conversion action towards which your Google Ads campaign would optimize towards. So conversion action is the goal that you want to achieve through your advertising. It can be a page view, it can be a event that gets completed, it can be a button click. So let's take an example. So in this case, let's say I want the conversion should be that someone lands on my get in touch page. So when someone does that, I want Google Ads to record it as a conversion. So what I would do is I would create a conversion action on the URL of get in touch. So how I would do is, so I would go into Google Ads, I would go into goals, I would create new conversion action, and I would do it by click on website because that is where we are recording it. So we get the URL. So there are two ways to do it. I would show you both the ways. One is directly via Google Ads platform and one is via Google Tag Manager. I usually prefer Google Tag Manager. So we scan this URL. So to do it via Google Ads itself, you need to make sure that Google Tag is installed, which is really important throughout your, it should be installed on all the pages of your website. So here our conversion goal is page view, event is page load. So I would go to click see more settings, it's page view, page load, and when do I want it to track or think that the conversion has been completed is when my URL contains maybe, let's say, get in touch. So we will just copy it from here, we go back, URL contains get in touch, this is the conversion name, we can set value for it, or if you don't want to set it, you can just select this. This option is available when you select purchase as your goal, because for purchase every value is different, right? And for count, Google usually recommends to select every when we have purchase as our conversion goal. But in this case, let's say our conversion action is towards leads or sign up or maybe page view. So we just select one, and then we have all these other options that you can select based on how you want your conversion action to track, and we click done and we click save and continue. Perfect, finish. So same like under the same area, goals and summary, you would actually see that your conversion action is created, but the state is inactive. So if you hover over it, you would see that your tag hasn't been verified yet, which usually takes up to 3 hours after someone visits your page containing the tag. So we can either troubleshoot it from here, we go here, we check, sorry, Sculptmarketinghouse, go back, here, run. Perfect, and we go into get in touch page. So yeah, I think that is something that we have done. We can also do it over here, and yeah, so we might have to give it some time, and after that, yeah, so this is changed automatically to no recent conversion. That means that when we landed on that particular page, this status which was not active, that means now the tag has been triggered over there. So this is showing no recent conversions. So yeah, that's the first way, and for the second way I will be creating another video which would be using Google Tag Manager. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next videos.